On this video today, I'm going to show you a beginner friendly method that you can use to make money with CPA marketing. This method that I'm about to show you is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need any experience, you don't need any skills to get started with this method. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPA group accounts. If you want, you can promote offers on Max Bounty. You can promote offers on any CPA marketing platform that you know. But in this video, I'm going to be promoting offers on CPA group. So what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts and log in. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to select offers right here so that you can promote them to earn money. As a school, you can see different offers that you can promote to earn money on CPA group. You can see a whole lot of them, but CPA offers, they are geo specific, so you have to select a specific country so that you can get offers to promote. For example, you can see this is United Kingdom, so all the offers that you are seeing right here, you have to promote them to people in the United Kingdom so that you can be earning money. The best part is that CPA offers does not require you to get sales, they only require you to get leads. So for example, you can see this offer right here. The only requirement is that your potential visitor has to enter an email. Once they enter the email, they stand the chance of winning a prize. Whether they win the prize or not, you are going to be earning $1.40 since they have submitted their email address. You can see this one is pin submit. Your potential visitor has to enter a pin. Once they enter the pin, you are going to be earning 51 cents. You can see it right here. So it does not matter whether your potential visitor win the prize or not. So once they submit the requirement, you are going to be paid. It's just simple as that. You can see, so all these offers, they have specific requirements that your potential visitor must meet before you earn the money. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find a country where we can get offers that will pay us higher amount anytime we get a lead. So we are going to come right here and then search for Spain. Spain has offers with higher payout, so just search for Spain right here. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Just click on it. Once you search for Spain, you can see it right here. These are offers that you can promote to earn money anytime people from Spain enter their details. You can see this offer right here. When you get people from Spain to enter their email address, you are going to be earning 69 cents. Let me scroll down to show you offers that will pay a higher amount. You can see this offer right here. If you get people from Spain to enter a pin code, you are going to be earning $8.21. You can see this one is $7.70. You can see $8.21. A whole lot of different offers that you can promote to people in Spain. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one, $1.02. You can see this offer right here. You're going to be earning $8.56. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see many offers. You can see this 89 cents. So all the offers, they have different payouts. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of these offers so that you can promote it to people in Spain for them to enter the requirements so that you can be making money. You can see a whole lot of different offers, but there are some factors that you must consider. When you come right here, you can see this is the requirement, but you must consider the devices. You can see this particular offer is allowed on all mobile devices and then desktop. You can see this one is allowed on only desktop. You can see this one is allowed on desktop and mobile, all mobile devices. You can see this offer is allowed on Apple iOS and Android. So each of these offers, they have specific requirements that your potential visitor must meet before you earn the money. But everything is easy because you don't need to get a sale before you earn the money. They only have to enter the requirements so that you can be making money. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of these offers so that you can promote it to make money. There are a lot of different offers that you can choose, but I recommend you choose the offers that have higher payout. You can see this one is $8.21 and this one is $1.02. So you have to promote an offer like this so that you can be making money very fast. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting one of the offers with a higher payout. So let me just scroll to show you. I want to promote this particular offer right here. You can see it is allowed on Android, it is allowed on desktop, and you can see the requirement is pin submit, and it's very easy to get people to submit their pins because it's so simple. You can see right here, it is an iPhone that my potential visitor has the potential to win when they submit a pin code. So this is an offer that you can get a lot of people who are willing to enter the requirements for you to make money. So you have to promote offers like this. So now to promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link, then you can begin to promote it. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the offer, you can see it right here. This is the iPhone that your potential visitor is going to stand the chance of winning when they enter a pin code. You can see this is how it is going to appear to them. You can see this is your affiliate link, and you can see the warning right here. This offer is allowed on Android and is allowed in Spain. You can see it right here. If you want, you can come right here and then select any domain that you want. You can just select any of these domains. So just select the one that you want. Once that is done, if you don't understand the text, you can just highlight and copy it. Use Google Translate so that you can translate the text to any language that you understand. So for example, let me just translate it for you to see. So let's search for Google Translate. You can see it right here. So let's translate the text so that you can understand. As you can see it right here, this is the text, and you can see it is going to translate it right here. This is the translation. Enter your mobile number now to get started. So that is the translation of the text. You can equally translate the title of the offer. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then translate it. If assuming you don't understand, you have to do this so that you can understand everything. You can see right here, grab your iPhone 14 Pro now. So that is the title of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting this particular offer. If you want, you can build a landing page so that you can begin to promote the offer. But the traffic source that I'm about to show you, you can use your direct affiliate link, and you are still going to be getting a lot of people who are going to click through it and then complete the offer for you to make money. So once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you are going to come on this website, dow.ad. This particular website allows you to advertise your CPA offers. You can also promote any offer that you want. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create an account so that we can begin to promote the offer on this platform. You can see right here they have a lot of different ad formats. So let me just click on it for you to see. You can see right here, these are the ad formats that you can use to promote your offer. You can see they have push notification, native ads, pop under, video ads. So any of these formats that you want, you can use them to promote the offer. So now the next step is that you are going to create an account. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see I am an advertiser. You can see I am webmaster. You are going to select advertiser because you want to use this particular website to drive traffic to your affiliate link. So select this option so that you can advertise on the platform. Once you select it, you are going to click right here so that you can register for your free accounts. Once you click on registration, you are going to fill the form so that you can create your free accounts. You can see you are going to enter your email address right here, enter your password, confirm your password. You are going to enter your Telegram account, Skype, so any of them that you have, you are going to enter it right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, you have to agree to the privacy policy. You have to agree to terms of use. Once that is done, you are going to click on register. In this case, I have registered for an account ahead of time so that this video will not be too long. So I'm just going to log in so that I will show you how to use this platform to advertise your links. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, everything is 00. So this is a new account. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit money so that you can use it to run ads on this platform. To deposit money, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, balance. Once you click on it, you can see you can use all these methods of payments to deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have a lot of them. So just click on the one that you want and then use it to deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit money into your account, the next step is that you are going to begin using this platform to run your ads. To run ads on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to select right here campaigns. Once you select campaigns, you are going to select the campaign format. You can see they have a lot of different ad formats that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. In this video, what we are going to do is that we are going to select push in page. So just click on that. Once you click on that, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create campaigns. Once you click on create a campaign, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here work status. So you are going to select started. You have to select that so that after your campaign is approved, it will start running immediately. You don't have to trigger it again. So just select that. Once that is done, you are going to give a name to your campaign. In this case, we can just say CPA money. So something like this. This is just a name. No one is going to see it. So just type any name that you want. Once that is done, you can see right here mode. So you are going to select your mode of payment, so we are going to use cost per click, so just leave it like this, CPC. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see targeting the country, so you are going to select the country where you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed in Spain, so you are going to select Spain. So just search for Spain, so you can just scroll down and then search for Spain. So just scroll down and then select Spain. You can see right here Spain, so just select that. Once you select the country, you can see it right here. The next step is that you are going to select the cost per 1,000 clicks. How much are you willing to pay per 1,000 clicks? You can see right here the recommended price is $12.77, and you can see this is the average price. So what you have to do is that you have to enter a price that is not below the average price. So in this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to pay $9 per 1,000 clicks. If you pay $9 per 1,000 clicks, you are not going to make loss, because if you get 200 leads per the 1,000 clicks, you are going to be making a lot of profit out of this $9 that you have invested in us. So let's do some calculations. So assuming you get 200 leads per the 1,000 clicks, so 200 multiplied by the payout, you can see you are going to be getting $8.21 per every lead. So assuming you are able to get 200, let's multiply 200 by 8.21. You can see right here you are going to be earning $1,642. So if you deduct $9 out of this amount, you are going to be making a lot of profit. So don't worry about the amount of money you are investing here, because if you get the leads, you are going to make profit out of this amount that you've invested. Even if you get 50 leads out of the 1,000 clicks, you are still going to be making money. Let's multiply 50 multiplied by 8.21. As you can see, you are going to be making $410.05. So if you deduct $9 out of this amount, you are going to be making money. So there is no need to worry about the amount that you are going to invest here. The return on investment is going to be huge. So make sure you enter an amount that you can be able to pay right here. Once you enter the price, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see right here region. So if you want to select any part in Spain where you want your ad to run, you can select that. You can see the city, you can select that. But in this case, we are not going to select any city or any region in Spain. We want all the parts of Spain, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see mobile providers. Don't select any of that, just leave it. Once that is done, you can see right here the category, so you can just click on it and then select the category. So in this case is mainstream, so just select that. Once you select the category, the next step is that you are going to select right here vertical, so just click on it and then select what you want. You can see web clicks, you can see website promotion, YouTube promotion, news promotion, brand promotion, e-commerce. So in this case you want clicks, so just select that. Once that is done, you can see user browsers. There's no limitation on that, so you can just select everything. Once you select all the browsers, the next step is that you can see user operating system, so just select it. Once you select it, you can see the various operating system, you can see everything. So in this case, our offer is allowed on Android and then Windows, so you can select that. You can see the Windows right here, just select the Windows right here, select everything, select all the Windows, select all the Windows. Once that is done, you are going to select the Android device, so just scroll down and then select all the Android device. As you can see everything, just select everything, all Android devices, just select everything. You can see that is done. When you come back on CPA group, you can see Android and you can see it's available on desktop, so select Android and then the Windows. Once that is done, you can see right here user agent language, so you are going to select Spanish, so you can search for Spanish right here. So let's search for Spanish. As you can see, Spanish is here, just select that. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see traffic quality, just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want to blacklist any website, you can do that, but we don't have any website that we want to blacklist, so just leave everything. Once you leave everything, the next step is that you are going to click right here, add creative, so click on that. Once you click on that, what you have to do is that you have to paste the title of the offer right here. So just come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, let me click on it once again, highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to highlight and copy the description of the offer, so just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The language, don't translate it to English because we are targeting Spanish people, so they will understand the text. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here icon files, so you have to upload an icon of the offer. So you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you are on CPA grip, right click on the image of the offer. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once you select save image as, just click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once that is done, you are going to come back, click on browse so that you can select your image and then upload it right here. Once you click on browse, you are going to select your image, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. So as you can see, this is the image, so you are going to crop it. As you can see, just crop it this way. Once you crop it this way, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to upload the same image. You can see image file, so just click on browse so that you can select the same image. As you can see, select your image, click on open, and you can see the image is right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to crop it this way. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here URL, so just come back on CPA grip. Once you come back on CPA grip, you can now select your domain, any domain that you want. So if you want, you can use the current one. If you don't want, you can select any of these. Once you select your domain, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. This is your affiliate link, so anytime people click on it and then provide their details, you are going to be earning money. Once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save. As you can see, it is saving, so you are going to wait for it. You can see right here, record saved successfully. Click on close. As you can see, this is the creative. You can see this is how people are going to see it before they click on your ad. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see if you want to limit anything, you can do that. If you want to limit the number of clicks, you can do that. The number of times your ad will show, you can do that, and then the rest. So we don't need to do anything, just leave everything. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, save, so that your ad can be published. Once you click on save, you can see record saved successfully. You can see right here your ad has been published, but you need to deposit money so that it can start running. You can see it right here. This is your ad. You can see it right here. So the administrator will approve it and it's going to start running on this platform. So you can see my test campaign was approved. So within some few minutes, your ad is going to be approved and it's going to start running on this platform. So make sure you go and take action so that you can use this platform to make money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.